In this video, I visit Coron, Palawan, Philippines.
My brother led us up here to the top of Mount Tapias.
I try all the stuff on a stick at the street food stands.
I'm gonna try some of the pork liver and the chicken gizzards.
Get sticker shock from the seafood.
I am not spending $17 on that fish.
And find the sweet spot with the surf and turf.
Right up my alley. Meat, seafood, and fire. This being my first night in the Philippines, in Coron, Philippines, I want to start locally. So I'm walking to a local place right nearby where I'm staying that serves local seafood that was recommended to me by a local. Let's go on in and see what's on the menu. What's up, Philippines? Is that the lapu-lapu? You serve it like steamed or grilled or?
This one's like a steam. This one is grilled.
Okay. And what is this, a snapper, a red snapper?
White snapper.
White snapper.
Red snapper.
White and red snapper, yeah. And you grill this one, but you steam the lapu-lapu?
Steam, sweet and sour.
Yeah, I would like the lapu-lapu steam. How much is it?
1,800 1 kilo, sir.
How much for one serving?
This one is cheap the weight, sir.
Okay, gonna check the weight.
Yeah.
The prices are deceiving. I don't want to pay 1,100 for anything. Let's see what it weighs out at.
0.48, 864 pesos.
864, a little more than I wanted to spend on a fish. Next time.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys. Yeah, 864. Let's see. They're $2 in a peso. That's 17 bucks. Love making these YouTube videos for you guys, but I am not spending $17 on that fish. I am not in Kansas anymore. It's going to be the theme of this trip to the Philippines. Boy, are the prices different here than they are in Thailand. The $17 lapu-lapu at Lobster King was just not in the cards. So I walked up the street here to Sharky's, another local seafood joint right by the place where I'm staying, and still not getting off easy. I've traded out my $17 lapu-lapu for a $12 pompano fish here. Boy, my wallet and I can't wait until we get back to Thailand. Well, that is the end of the line for our pompano there. And there was no graceful way to eat that whatsoever. It was all fingers and napkins. And the pompano kind of reminded me of my friend Jaws here, with very steely gray skin and very soft flesh. Like finding a needle in a haystack, we found a restaurant with good food that's reasonably priced here in Coron, Palawan. Got a little surf and turf thing going on here at Carl's Barbecue with a stuffed, grilled, splendid squid and some Korean bulgogi. Right up my alley. Meat, seafood, and fire. Here at the waterfront promenade. What do we call this? This is the Coron Boulevard or?
Lalahati Park.
Okay, the Boulevard, Lalahati Park. They've got all sorts of things from dumplings to quail eggs to deep fried chicken intestines. More batter than bird in the deep fried quail eggs. And let's give these deep fried intestines a go. Oh, these intestines are awesome. The flavor and texture of these deep fried chicken intestines reminds me of eating long neck clams or like deep fried clam strips from Bill's Clam Shack back in Niantic, Connecticut. This dog is not going to leave the side of this street food stand anytime soon because of what they are serving up. It's unadulterated chicken intestines, no deep fried batter hiding the flavor and texture, and pork liver and chicken gizzards. I'm no stranger to the internal components of an animal. My family were French-Canadian farmers, and I grew up eating liver for breakfast. So I'm gonna try some of the pork liver and the chicken gizzards. You gotta love the cooking technique with the house paintbrush. I will have no iron deficiency after having had pork liver for dinner. This is not helping the hangover whatsoever. They think we're walking off the liquor. I do not agree. Sweating it out? No, I think we're just sweating. My brother led us up here to the top of Mount Tapias.
Mount Tapias.
A nice view of the fishing village that is Coron, Palawan, Philippines. The locals won't make the 720-step climb up here. So no locals up here to empty our pockets of our tourist dollars. So this is a safe haven from highway robbery. No drug sign. Remember, kids, don't do drugs. Ripping off the tourists, totally fine.
Subscribe and stay tuned for more content from Southeast Asia and South America.